how to disconnect Spotify account from Tinder profile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect Spotify account from Tinder profile. To do so, first of all, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and once you reach to this page, here you'll be able to locate the pencil icon just above your profile picture. Simply tap on the pencil icon, and once you reach to this edit profile page, you will need to scroll down until you find My Top Spotify Artists. Under it, here you'll be able to see your Spotify account. Simply tap on your Spotify account, and inside it, you'll be able to locate the disconnect option at the top right. Now, users simply need to tap on this disconnect option, and soon after doing that, your Spotify account will be disconnected from the Tinder profile. So this is how you can disconnect Spotify from your Tinder profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.